Hi there, students. Concise, an adjective. Concisely, the adverb. And conciseness, the noun. You can also say concision as a noun, but that's very unusual. Okay, if something is concise, it says everything that needs to be said, but in very few words. So if something is concise, it's short and clear, but it doesn't have any extra words or extra details. So when you're doing an exam, you should make your answers clear and concise. Yeah, concise says you express it yourself well without using extra words, without using extra verbiage. And concise, it also says that it covers all of the important things, but it's not long. Okay, so notice you could say something's brief, but brief just says short. It doesn't say that it says everything you need, and it doesn't say that you're not using unnecessary words. And then you could have the word terse as well. Terse, I think, says it expresses in very few words, but terse has this idea of brusque and rude, a bit short and quiet, and not saying very much. Okay, so something that is concise, it gives all of the information you need, it gives it clearly, and it gives it in very few words. So this book is a concise history of the Church of England. Yeah, the Concise Oxford Learner's Dictionary. It's got all the important words that you need to know, but none of the really the more unusual ones, because if you don't have the Concise Oxford Learner's Dictionary, you're going to have something that's 25 volumes. So concise, succinct, brief and to the point, pithy, short and sweet, incisive. Okay, so when you're writing, being concise is a very good thing. A dictionary should give a concise definition of a word. Yeah, if you write a report for your boss, you should write it concisely. He should be impressed by its conciseness, in that it includes everything he needs to know, but it's short and easy for him to read. So to make a concise statement, yeah, the spokesperson came out and made a concise statement. Yeah, he concisely gave the information. Okay, so concise, brief, but it includes everything. Yeah, so it's got everything in it that you're liable to need. The text is concise and informative. Yeah, it's short, it's to the point, it's compressed. Yeah, notice concise is quite positive. Yeah, if you say something is concise, it's not long-winded and boring. It gets right to the point, and it doesn't go around the houses. Yeah, so a clear and concise statement. If you're writing an essay, a clear, concise essay is a very good thing to write. Yeah, a concise summary of exactly what happened. Yeah, the news, when you read the news or listen to the news, it should be concise. It should tell you exactly what happened, but without any extra words or extra things going on around the edge of it. Okay, so concise. Stating a lot in very few words by removing everything that is supernumerary, everything that's extra. Yeah, and you don't give expanded details, you don't give long explanations. Yeah, but you still include everything that's needed. So concise, formality. I think I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. It's a touch on the formal side. I guess you could use it informally. I would probably say brief and to the point or something like that informally. Use it in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing or formal writing. And then as to origin, this comes from Latin concisus, meaning cut short, from caedere or concidere, con with, and caedere to cut, so it's with bits cut off, yeah, and all the excess is cut off, and that's the idea of concise. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Concise, concisely, conciseness.